Hi, so if you have an issue with the calendar kind of being off to one side like this site, I kind of blew it up on my 5K screen so we could really see the effect of it. The way to fix that is to change the events layout. So if you launch the global options, you'll see this list of different options and settings you can manipulate. And if you click on the events calendar and then events layout, okay, now keep in mind this is not single event layout, this is events layout. If it is set to normal, then it's been doing this odd little bug occasionally on certain sites. Just set it to full width, and that should fix the issue. If for some reason you aren't using a theme layout and this full width ends up being too wide, you can also set it to narrow, and that will work too. But you can see here full width is really perfect for this layout. So that's a quick fix, and let us know if you have any other needs or questions.